National Weather Service in Birmingham has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Lee County in east central.
Come on, Birmingham.
Chambers County in east central Alabama. Russell County in southeastern Alabama until 4:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 3:07 p.m. Central Standard Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Coram to near Franklin Field, moving east at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Auburn, Phoenix City, Opelika, Valley, Leaded, Noticeable, Smith Station, Lafayette, Waverly, Lakeview, Beulah, Beauregard, Sturkey, Trammell Crossroads, and Buffalo. A tornado watch remains in effect until 8 p.m. Central Standard Time for southeastern and east central Alabama. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.